I'm going to show you exactly how to make a wellness tracker in Canva using a simple step-by-step method that helps you design fast, customize easily, and get a professional looking result even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and go to the search bar at the top. Type in Tracker Sheets and press Enter. Canva will instantly show you a variety of templates you can choose from. I suggest picking one that already has drop-down setup, as this makes customization much easier later. Once you find a template you like, click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once you're inside, let's start by naming your tracker. Simply double-click on the header and replace it with your preferred name. Next, the most important columns you need to track your wellness are sleep, exercise, and stress. Column 1 is for tracking your sleep. So set up a drop-down from 1 to 8 hours so you can log exactly how much rest you got each day. Next is column 2, which is for keeping track of your exercise. Use a simple drop-down with a check or X to mark whether you exercised. Column 3 is for managing your stress, so include a drop-down with high, mid, or low to quickly capture your daily stress level. You can then use all this information to know what decisions to make in terms of your wellness, may it be physical, mental, or your overall wellness. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that is it. You now have a wellness tracker in Canva that is clean, professional, and easy to use. Track your sleep, exercise, and stress daily and see your wellness trends at a glance. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like and leave a comment, and I will share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.